Hey guys, welcome back to my beauty stash, or welcome if it is your first time here. Hello, my name is Steff. I would love to have you as a subscriber, so be sure to click on that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching. Today I am trying a new to me indie makeup brand which collaborated with one of my favorite YouTubers, that is Angela from Doodles by the Bunny. This is her Poison Ivy palette in collaboration with the indie brand Milan Rowe. Now I have to admit I am not familiar with Milan Rowe makeup. This is a Miami, Florida based indie makeup brand that celebrates the beauty of diversity. Their products are vegan and cruelty free. Now this is Angela. Angela is Doodles by the Bunny on Instagram. I will most definitely have Angela and Milan Rowe linked in the description box of this video so that you can go check out their Instagram. She dreams up eyeshadow palettes. So for example, she'll create her own version of an Urban Decay Naked palette or a Too Faced, one of their fall palettes, and she'll just put in shades that she thinks would look fantastic. She does like the cover artwork of them and she posts it. And there's been several times that I've shared her doodles on my Instagram and my Insta stories just because I really think the brands should take note of what she's doing, because the color stories that she comes up with, the artwork that she does for the product is just absolutely amazing. You talk about creativity. Angela, Doodles by the Bunny, she has boatloads of creativity. So I was so happy to see that she created her own eyeshadow palette. This is the Poison Ivy palette. It's a green eyeshadow palette, guys. You know I had to pick it up based on that fact alone, but this is what she doodled for us. Now this palette contains 7 matte shades, 1 pressed glitter, there are 2 shimmer shades, and there are 4 metallic shades. I love the color story. I don't mind that they put in 1 pressed glitter. That's fine. We can handle 1. And I want to say it's this one right here. It looks really pretty. I have not had the opportunity to swatch this palette yet, but I will be showing you guys before we begin the first look, because I'll be creating 2 looks for you guys today. I will be inserting swatches of the palette of both indoor and outdoor lighting so that you can see what they're going to look like on a fair to light skin tone. I'm super excited, super happy for Angela, Doodles by the Bunny, and Milan Rowe on their new collaboration. Complete first experience with this brand. Let's see how these shadows are going to perform. If you guys want to see the 2 looks I'm about to create using the new Poison Ivy palette, keep on watching. I've already primed my eyelids using the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime Eye Primer in the shade 1. What are we gonna do with this gorgeous palette? I wanna use the pressed glitter. I really wanna use it. I believe it is that one. Let's see. Yeah, it is this one. Kind of feels like the BH Cosmetics pressed glitter, which is great because I do enjoy that one. So let's see. Let's start first with, I'm going to go in first with this shade right here. This shade is called Calamine. And I'm going to be taking that on a BK Beauty A503. This is part of the Angie Hot and Flashy collection, which is going to be restocked this Tuesday. I will put the details in the description box of this video. I absolutely loved this brush collection that they did. Beautiful. Like, definitely brushes that were missing in the BK Beauty line. They were included in this Angie Hot and Flashy collaboration. Now this shade is very light, which is fine, so I'm just going to use it as a transition shade. All right, now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. The shade is called New Leaf. I'm taking that on a BK 202. Ooh, this is a pretty green. That is a very nice green. And it's just so easy to work with. It's like very smooth. Beautiful. Now with an A504, also from BK Beauty, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. The shade is called Not Today Batman. Just focusing that right out here. Adding a little bit more of New Leaf. Nice, those blended out and into each other so well. All right, press glitter time. I'm gonna go in with this one. The shade is called Vine, and I am gonna lay down a little bit of the NYX glitter primer, and I'm using the A505, also from BK Beauty. Okay, with the same brush, I'm gonna pick up some of Vine. That is so pretty. And I'm not getting any fallout. All right, now for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. The shade is called the Ivy. And I'm taking that on a BK Beauty 207. I'm just gonna stop right there. Now with this little BH Cosmetics pencil brush, I'm going back in with Not Today Batman. I'm just gonna keep it really close to the lash line. Okay, I'm gonna clean off that little BH Cosmetics brush, and I think I'm gonna do a little pop of blue. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here for the inner corner. This one is called Pistachio. I am gonna spray the brush. I just used some little NYX setting spray. Let's add that right here. Ooh, that is so pretty. I love that. Love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna add some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1. All right, guys, so this is the completed look with the Poison Ivy palette. What do you guys think? I added some of this new Maybelline Sky High Mascara, which I'm actually going to be wear testing today. I'm doing a full face of Maybelline today, of course, minus the eye look. You guys will see that video go up before you see this one, and I'm actually trying a new foundation that they have, so definitely stay tuned for that. But this is the, I guess it's a new shade of the Sky High Mascara. The shade is called Cosmic Black, and I'm going to be applying the original in the shade Very Black to the left eye, and just so I can see if there's a difference in that Maybelline video. But yeah, this is what I have on the right eye. I'm also using this new eyeliner I got from Maybelline. This is the Hyper Easy Brush Tip eyeliner. It's in the shade Black. For the lower waterline, I'm using this one from LA Girl. It's a Neon Shockwave liner. This one is in the shade Fresh. And I like it. I like this look. I love blue and green together. So this is definitely a look that I gravitate towards. Now let's jump over to the left eye and start creating look number 2. Okay guys, so for look number 2, I want to work with this shade. This one is called Don't Be Rash. And I kind of want to work with this shade too. This is Allergy Season. Let's start with this one. Let's do Allergy Season in the crease. Now I'm taking the shade on a BK Beauty 206. Very nice, cool toned shade. This is a nice shade. This is really pretty, and I like how it's blending out. They're very smooth mattes, if that makes sense. Like, it's just easy to blend, easy to work with. Now with the BK Beauty A502, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. That looks nice. Those paired well together. The cool meets the warm. All right, now I think I'm gonna do these 2 shades. So I'm gonna go in first with Such an Itch. I'm gonna try picking that up on my finger. That's pretty. But let me get a brush. This is a damp Morphe M124. All right, now I'm gonna use that same brush and I'm gonna go in with IV, which is that other gold shade. Same damp brush. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Don't Be Rash, which is that reddish shade. I'm gonna go in with the brush that I used for the first shade called Allergy Season. All right, now for the lower lash line, I think I wanna do like a shimmer shade. I think I wanna try this one. This one right here, this one is called Jewel Weed. And I'm taking that shade on a damp Rephr 26. Now I'm gonna try picking up a little bit of Ivy League right here. Same Rephr brush, just focusing that more towards the lash line, like on the lash line, tight lining. I did get a little bit of fallout from one of those shades. Nothing major. This looks nice. I like the way this looks. Okay, so for the inner corner, let's see. I guess I'm gonna go back in with Ivy. And I'm using that little BH Cosmetics pencil brush. I didn't spray it. Now I cleaned off that brush and I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this shade right here. And I'm gonna run that right down here. Going in with a little bit of Don't Be Rash. Okay, let me add some liner and mascara and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2. All right guys, so here is look number 2. What do you guys think? I love it. I love the way it came out. I went in with another LA girl. This is the Shockwave Nude Lip Liner. You guys have seen me in more recent videos starting to venture into their lip liner shades and use them as eyeliners. I haven't experienced any issue with that. This one is in the shade Rosewood and that's what I have on the lower waterline. I love it. I thought it was a perfect complement to the top lid and that outer corner shade and I think it's beautiful. I went in with the original Maybelline Sky High Mascara just so that I can compare them, but guys, they look almost identical. This is very black and this is a cosmic black. Pretty much the same thing, right? And of course I went in again with that Maybelline Hyper Easy eyeliner. All right guys, so let me go ahead and wrap up today's video. Let me share with you guys my final thoughts on this new Poison Ivy palette from Milan Rowe and Doodles by the Bunny. Okay guys, so let's start with the outward packaging of the palette. I love it. I think it is so, so cute. And I didn't catch on to the theme of the palette until I started playing with the shades and noticing their shade names. So it is from the Batman DC Comics. I'm not good on which franchise the characters fall under, but this is Poison Ivy, one of the characters from the Batman movies. And so this is what Doodles by the Bunny and Milan Rowe came up with. Packaging is great. You do get a mirror inside, and of course you get these 14 stunning shades. Now let's see, how many shades did I end up using today? I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I used 13 shades in today's 2 looks. The only shade I didn't use was this one. This one is Poison Ivy. Really pretty shade. I still have not swatched it yet. I'm saving that obviously for the very end, but I will say color story, beautiful. If you love green eyeshadow, I mean, this is a no-brainer. The quality is aces. I really enjoyed working with the matte shades. I thought that all of the matte shades blended into each other really well, and they all complement each other really well, as do the shimmer shades in the palette. This is the only pressed glitter in the palette, but guys, I didn't get any fallout from it, and it looks gorgeous on the eye. If you're familiar with the BH Cosmetics pressed glitter formula, this is kind of similar to it. I won't say it's exactly the same, but it is is very similar, and I like that you get little flecks of like red and blue and gold in this one. It definitely adds a little bit of dimension to the eye, and I'm very happy with it. I thought that all of the other shimmer shades were great. No issues with this palette. This has been a really great, a really awesome first impression for me of Milan Rowe makeup, and I'm really happy that I'm able to support a fellow content creator, Angela, who is Doodles by the Bunny on Instagram. You have to go check out her Instagram page because she just dreams up the most beautiful color stories for some of our favorite brands and our favorite palettes. So congratulations, Angela. Congratulations, Milan Rowe. Fantastic palette here with the Poison Ivy palette. It retails for $39. There is a discount code. I'll have it in the description box of this video, but you will not be disappointed if you pick this one up. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Which look was your favorite? Are you team 1? Are you team 2? Definitely leave it in the comments down below, and let me know if you've tried this brand, or let me know if you follow Angela, Doodles by the Bunny. I would love to hear your comments on that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. You know I got my water right here. Be sure to drink yours, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.